You're watching Truth versus Hype. We are in Srinagar, a city that has sent the latest signal to the rest of India as to how deep the crisis in Kashmir is. I'm referring, of course, to the voting for the Srinagar Lok Sabha by-elections, which saw violence, polling booths attacked, 8 people killed, the turnout lowest in the past 3 decades. This threatens the very idea of democracy, of mainstream politics that links Kashmir to the rest of India. Now, to try and analyze in 30 minutes the reasons for this and who is to blame is simply impossible. But what we can do is to give you a glimpse into the symptoms and the reasons for a valley adrift. From Srinagar, a short drive into Pulwama district in the Anantnag Lok Sabha constituency. In Anantnag too, there are meant to be Lok Sabha by-elections postponed for a month because of the unrest here in Srinagar. But there are concerns that even if it does go ahead, it could be no different. In fact, it could be even worse. Anantnag, once the bastion of the Mufti Muhammad Saeed family, now considered amongst the most volatile regions of the valley. The birthplace of Burhan Wani and reminders of the slain terrorist easily found on the walls of Pulwama town. What are not so easily found are political workers. So Zafar, any luck with trying to contact these political workers?
I've been trying since morning, Srinivasan, but it's difficult to find them. You know, they're not at their residences. They've gone to different places, we're told. But I'm still looking for them. Maybe we'll find them in some time. But obviously, it's a tough task.
The reason is not hard to fathom. As always, there's a video. In this case of a PDP worker, Wali Muhammad Bhatt from Pulwama, asked to chant anti-India slogans at gunpoint. These are not empty threats. Just a week ago, 2 political workers killed in this region. Finally, we are pointed to a local government housing colony where a group of political workers have sought refuge.
आप कैसे पहुंचे? ऐसी हालात है, गाड़ी नहीं चलती है, ये नहीं चलती है, लेकिन पॉलिटिकल इंसान के लिए, पॉलिटिकल चाहे मिनिस्टर, चाहे एमएलसी, चाहे एमएलए, चाहे कोई भी हो, यानी सरपंच से लेके वजीर आला तक आजकल पॉलिटिकल आदमी थरथराहट में है और मुट्ठी में अपनी जान लेके अगर कहीं जाता है 1 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर अपना जान मुट्ठी में लेके चलता है.
This is Ghulam Nabi Patel, the General Secretary of the Pulwama wing of the PDP, Jammu and Kashmir's ruling party. But भट्ट साहब, फिर सवाल ये उठता है कि फिर सरकार या प्रशासन कौन किसकी चल रही है यहाँ कश्मीर में
आजकल?
हाँ,
आपने एक सवाल किया, बहुत अच्छा सवाल किया, लेकिन इसका जवाब मैं नहीं दे पाऊँ.
अब नहीं दे सकते.
इस सवाल का जवाब या तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा तो ग्राउंड तक ही महदूद रहे, आप मीडिया पे वो बात नहीं बताए तो बेहतर रहेगा, लेकिन आपको मैं बताऊं.
जो आप मुझे बताएंगे वो तो मुझे मीडिया पे दिखाना ही होगा.
नहीं, फिर तो मेरा खतरा ज्यादा बढ़ेगा.
अच्छा,
आप समझोगे.
बट आप ये सवाल का जवाब ही नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, यही एक तरह से जवाब हो गया कि किसकी सरकार चल रही है. यू कांट आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन.
मेरा चुप करने का इस सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे सकूं कि आपको खुद पता चलेगा यहाँ किसकी सरकार चल रही है.
माय गॉड, दैट्स द सिचुएशन हियर.
सीधा बताता हूँ.
More calls, more driving around, and then to a disused office of the National Conference to meet more political workers of the ruling coalition. So we are here in Pulwama in South Kashmir with Shabir Ahmed Bhatt. He's a representative of the BJP. He was telling me that he's the president of this Pulwama region. Pulwama constituency of the BJP. Once again, it's been an extraordinary experience trying to meet these political workers. We've literally had to change multiple locations to be able to talk to him. Shabir, इस वक्त की जो situation है, the situation as of now, just to meet you, we had to drive around, change locations. Obviously, there's some sort of risk right now that political workers are facing.
Yes, it obviously political worker जो यहाँ के है साउथ कश्मीर के particularly वो अभी बहुत मुश्किल हालात में गुजर रहे हैं।
Shabbir is from the BJP, particularly under threat.
एक दो बार हुआ है।
कब? When did you?
नो ये एक साल पहले की बात है।
अच्छा, कहाँ पे?
घर में ही।
They came to your house.
Yes, they came to my house.
And
they
what
talked
happened?
to me. They talked to me for half an 1.5 hour.
अच्छा,
I just tell them what my message was.
okay.
Later on, I was freed after 1.5 hour.
कहाँ से थे? Which group were they? Did you?
One among them was from Pakistan and one among them was local.
So no, which militant group were they? Did they?
They was elite.
Did they say? Oh, they were elite.
Yes, yes.
And this happened to you how many times?
It happens once I was hijacked. Secondly, I managed to escape, but at this juncture I am fine.
But even those in the opposition aren't spared. This is Javed Bhatt, a youth wing leader of the National Conference.
प्रेशर तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रेशर है। बहुत। घर में रहते हो? मैं घर में नहीं, लेकिन दिन में मैं जाता हूँ घर में। हाँ, कहाँ रात को नहीं यहाँ वो
रात को घर पे नहीं रह सकते?
नहीं, देखिए क्या बात है। नहीं, अच्छा। मैं आपको बताऊँ क्या होता है यहाँ। जाहिर सी बात है, थ्रेट तो है, प्रेशर तो है, वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, कहीं किलिंग हुई है। उसमें ये बात नहीं होता कि मतलब यहाँ और भी चीज़ें फिर होती हैं।
फिर आप रात को घर में नहीं जाते तो कैसे करते हैं? अलग अलग जगह जाना पड़ता है आपको?
नहीं, हमने ऑलरेडी होते हैं ना अपनी एक वो कर लेते हैं अपनी अकोमोडेशन जहाँ हम रहते हैं।
अच्छा, यही सिचुएशन है ना, पॉलिटिकल वर्कर्स can't go home.
That's the point. That's why I was asking.
For example, how do you campaign?
For example, हम जो हमारी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता है, हम उनको घर में जाते हैं, बोलते हैं वैसा वो डालने हैं, इसको डालने हैं। ऐसी हमारी जो जितने भी यहाँ पार्टीज है, एनसी है, कांग्रेस एनसी के कैंडिडेट थे, डॉक्टर फारूक साहब।
आप जा पाते हैं? You're able, even now you're able to go door to door?
No, we are not able to go door to door. उस तरह हम जाएंगे कि ढोल बजा के जाएंगे, हम बीजेपी के हैं, हम एनसी के हैं, हम कांग्रेस के हैं।
ढोल बजा के नहीं, but just even at a quiet level you're able to do that?
Yes, we go. We first inform to Pulwama SSP.
Okay.
He says us where from you can go. Later on we visit so many locations.
Politicians aren't the only ones in hiding. So are those meant to protect them. So we are now here in the police lines in Pulwama district, which is now turned into a sort of second home for many of the policemen who are not able to go to their own homes after a couple of incidents not far from here in Shopia. In one instance, we're told that gunmen arrived at the home of a policeman in Hajipura village and essentially forced him to go on to the loudspeaker of the local mosque to dissociate himself from the police. Another instance in the same district, gunmen ransacked the home of a policeman. That's what has led to this advisory by the police, and that's why even the young policeman who's going to come and meet us shortly, we won't be able to show you his identity. He's someone whose identity we'll have to conceal when we speak to him, and this is all part of the many symptoms of the worsening situation here in Jammu and Kashmir.